Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Fiesta oil. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil drain pan, and reliable jack stands. Next, make sure you have the correct type and quantity of new engine oil, typically around 4½ quarts. Finally, take a moment to locate both the oil drain plug and the oil filter on your vehicle's underside. With your tools ready, safely lift your Ford Fiesta using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands for stability. Position your oil drain pan directly underneath the oil drain plug. Using the correct size wrench, carefully remove the drain plug. Allow all the old, dirty oil to completely drain into the pan, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the old oil has drained, remove the old oil filter and prepare your new one. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the new filter's rubber gasket before installing it, ensuring a tight, hand-snug seal. Reinstall the oil drain plug securely, making sure it's not over-tightened. Now, add the recommended amount of fresh engine oil through the filler cap. After adding the new oil, check the level using your dipstick and add more if needed to reach the full mark. Start your engine for a minute or two to circulate the new oil, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks around the drain plug or filter. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.